Roblox, the history of the game and its creators. This story is for education. We reject hate and violence. Hey there, my friend. I'm glad you're here today. You and I are about to go on a journey. A story not just about a game, but about imagination, courage, and the power to build something new from nothing. This story will also help you grow your English slowly, naturally, while your heart follows the story. Close your eyes for a second and imagine a simple idea. A world where people can build their own worlds. Sounds easy now, right? But once, it was just a dream. A crazy dream that two people believed in when almost no one else did. Their names were David Baszucki and Erik Cassel. Two men with big hearts, small budgets, and one impossible goal: to make creativity itself a game. Let's go back to the beginning. Background/origins. It all started in the early 2000s, before smartphones, before streaming, when the internet was still young. Computers were slow. Most games were simple and flat. Yet David, a man who loved both science and fun, saw something different. He once built a small educational program called Interactive Physics. It allowed students to create experiments on screen, to drop a ball, build a car, test gravity. He noticed something important. People were not just learning, they were playing. And in that moment, the seed of Roblox was planted. Let's learn a new word here: curious. It means wanting to know more. For example, David was curious about how the world worked. David's curiosity became his superpower. He wanted kids to play, but also to think, to create, to imagine. In 2004, he met Erik Cassel, an engineer who shared his dream. Erik was calm, kind, and full of ideas. Together, they started building what would become Roblox, though at the time it had no name, no logo, and no real funding. Let's pause with another new word: prototype. It means the first version of something. For example, they built a prototype to test their idea. Their first prototype was rough: blocks, simple shapes, colors that looked like old toys. But there was something magical inside it: a small spark of creation. Erik spent nights coding, David spent days testing, and both spent their hope on one big dream: to give players freedom, not just to play, but to make. Another word: freedom. It means the power to act or speak as you want. For example, Roblox gives freedom to create your own world. Every great idea begins with freedom and faith. Erik once told David, "We are not just making a game, We are building a universe." They both smiled, but inside, they knew it would not be easy. Life reflection. Big dreams often start in small rooms. But what happened next changed everything. Main story, Part 1, The Early Struggles. In 2005, they finally gave their dream a name, Roblox, short for robots and blocks. The name sounded playful, easy, and young, like the world they wanted to build. Let's learn a new word. Launch. It means to start something officially. Example, they launched Roblox to the public in 2006. When Roblox launched, it was small. Only a few people joined. The graphics were simple, the controls strange. But the idea was powerful. David and Erik didn't care about looking perfect. They cared about giving players tools to create. They wanted everyone, kids, adults, dreamers, to become creators. Another word, creator. It means a person who makes something. Example, every player on Roblox can be a creator. At first, there were problems, bugs, crashes, slow servers. Sometimes the system broke for days. They fixed it by hand, often sleeping in the office, drinking cold coffee, laughing at mistakes. They knew they were not just fixing code, they were building history. New word, persistence. It means to keep trying even when it's hard. Example, their persistence helped Roblox survive the early years. That word, persistence, became the heart of Roblox. The world didn't see them yet. Investors said the project was too strange. Parents didn't understand it. Kids loved it, but didn't know how to explain it. Still, every day, new players came. They built houses, cars, tiny games. Some stayed, some left, but the community slowly grew. Life reflection. Growth is not fast, it is a quiet climb. But the next turn surprised them. Main story, Part 2, The Breakthrough. By 2009, Roblox had a small but loyal community. Players were not just playing, they were building together. For the first time, games were made by users themselves. Let's learn a new word. Community. It means a group of people who share something. Example, the Roblox community grew stronger every year. David noticed something special. Kids who played Roblox were learning to code, to design, to think creatively. It wasn't just entertainment anymore. It was education disguised as fun. That realization became their mission: to inspire the next generation of creators. New word: mission. It means an important goal or purpose. Example: their mission was to make creation simple and fun. Then came 2011. The team released new tools, better graphics, and features that let players earn virtual money. The word spread fast. Suddenly, Roblox was more than a game. It was a platform. Another word: platform. It means a base where people can create or share. Example: Roblox became a platform for imagination. With every update, more players joined. Kids from around the world built cities, roller coasters, dream houses. Some even made games that millions played. But behind the joy, a storm was coming. In 2013, Erik Cassel, the quiet genius behind much of Roblox's code, passed away after a long illness. His loss hit David deeply. He lost not just a co-founder, but a brother in dreams. Life reflection: every great journey has loss. What matters is what we do after it. David chose to honor Erik by continuing their mission. He promised that Roblox would grow, that it would reach every child who ever wanted to build. But the next day brought a shock. Main Story, Part 3: Rising to the World. After Erik's passing, Roblox faced its hardest test. The company was small, the servers were weak, and competitors were growing fast. David gathered his team. "We will keep building," he said. "We will keep creating." New word: vision. It means a picture of the future in your mind. Example: David had a vision of a world built by players. That vision guided everything. Roblox began to evolve. Better design, safer systems, and a growing developer community. Developers, people who create games, started to earn real money. Some were teenagers working from their bedrooms, learning skills that would one day become careers. New word: career. It means a person's job or life work. Example: many players found their future career through Roblox. By 2017, Roblox had tens of millions of players. YouTubers made videos. Kids shared creations. Families played together. It became not just a game, but a social world, a digital playground. Another word: imagination. It means the power to create ideas in your mind. Example: imagination was the fuel of Roblox. Life reflection: imagination is not childish. It is the first step to change. Then came 2020. The world changed. People stayed home, schools closed, and many searched for connection online. Roblox became a space where friends met, laughed, built, and dreamed together. It was not luck. It was years of faith and work. After all this, one truth remained. Climax and resolution. Roblox was born from curiosity, grown by persistence, and lifted by community. From two dreamers in a small office to a company that changed how millions see games, this was no accident. David Baszucki never forgot Erik's smile. Every new update, every young creator's success felt like a quiet thank you to his friend. Let's learn one last word: legacy. It means something left behind for the future. Example: Roblox is Erik's and David's legacy to the world. Roblox's legacy is not about money or fame. It is about giving people tools to express themselves, to build, to fail, to learn, to rise again. Because failure is part of creation. Every mistake becomes a step toward something beautiful. Life reflection. The best games are not just played, they are lived.
Summary and takeaways. So, my friend, what can we learn from the story of Roblox? Dreams take time. Creativity needs courage. And even small ideas can change the world when you refuse to give up. You can learn from this too. Maybe your idea is small today. Maybe no one believes in it yet. But remember David and Erik. They started with nothing but curiosity, freedom, and persistence. Repeat these words with me. Start living. Stop existing. Change. Habit. Focus. Time. Action. Your story is just beginning. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe. The next story will surprise you. And hey, leave a comment below. Tell me what inspired you most, or what story you'd love to hear next. Let's keep learning, creating, and believing together.